We have some rain in the area, so we thought we'd try and do a bit of videoing today. So we went down the point. How long it goes for, we weren't sure. So going down the first work to windward in the 16 footers, we have Noakes to windward. Oh, actually he's to leeward there, looking at the wrong sign. That's Noakes down to leeward here. In front, Noakes blew up to windward on the first beat to windward of a 14 knot northeaster. Yeah, close to the shore here we have Tagara sailing in close to the shore. When they come in here we can get some good shots of them, but I think they're going to be further out today and cause problems, so I'd say Tagara's in third place here at the moment. As you can see, most boats are working either the right side of the river or the left side of the river to keep out of the incoming tide. The boat on this side is TTG Civil, sorry, and all the other boats are on the other shore at the moment. The biggest problem here at the moment is getting continuity in this race. We have to shut up, put all colours over the cameras in between, it gets a bit wet. So coming back up the second time, we have Noakes in front. How long we can keep on doing it with the showers, because cameras worth too much money to keep on pulling it out and putting it back in again. It's condensation. next skiff coming in is Tigara, tacking on the western shore. On his way up to the top mark the second time. In the background there you can see Tribeca coming in here. There's another skiff up there I don't recognise. Here's TTR Civil. In here again, all the skiffs moving up to the top mark. Right, there's Tigara there. Now I can see the sail sign on that boat. It's Furlew Fisher from Drummoyne in McNamara. So we're getting a few skiffs coming because the Australian titles are on here this year, coming over for guest appearance. Sudley's not sailing today, but she's sailing here normally. Right, we have Noakes coming down again. A good lead, just about to jive and go across the other side of the river. Yeah, Noakes have changed skipper again today. We've got Tom Dawson skippering it today. Last week it was Lee Natman and Sarah Lee was before that. It's like musical chairs. In the background you can see the next group of boats. Looks like Noakes Blue, Tigara. That could be that Furlew Fisher, I'm not sure. No, it's not Furlew Fisher. That's Noakes Blue coming around. The next boat is Ace. Rename on that boat. It used to be called Infinity Ring, now called Ace. In third spot, then followed by Tigara. Starting to get blurry again. Here comes the rain again, so I think we'll just have to give it away, I think. I don't want to get in. Hello, what's happened here? There's been something happening out here. Been a collision between Noakes and another boat on the water. Hope no one's injured. That's Suicide Blonde. Noakes was going across on port tack where they had jived and were going down the river. I don't know, but we'll just keep the camera on here and then we'll pack up after that because there's rain coming. Broken the top of his mast off and Noakes done their pole out the front of their Jenica goes on to. So that's the end of both those races today for these two chaps and crew. Rescue boat standby with Glenn York. Yeah, we've been listening to the radio. Glenn says there's no one injured, so they're standing by. Noakes are standing by too, but that's good, there's nobody been injured. Right, Noakes is on its way home, and that's exactly where we're going. Our gear's packed up after this. Don't want to get it wet too much, so I'll put the results on today's race on after the video.